when this nitrogen enters into the bacteria, those bacteria which are present in soil, by that bacteria now start the biological processes, that is known as ammonification process, nitrification process and denitrification process. All these processes are known as biological process because these process carried out by various bacteria. Those bacteria which are freely present in a soil, freely occurs in a soil. There are different types of bacteria present in soil, and by that bacteria the nitrogen is converted into various compounds. Those bacteria which are present in soil, by that bacteria this nitrogen is firstly converted into ammonia. That process is known as ammonification process. Nitrogen is converted into ammonia by some bacteria, those bacteria which are present in soil. That process, that biological process is known as ammonification. Ammonia, that is known as ammonification process. Then second most important process, that is known as nitrification process. In case of nitrification process, some of the bacteria present in soil, by that bacteria the ammonia is converted into nitride and nitrate. That process is known as nitrification, and this nitrification is carried out by nitrifying bacteria. Nitrifying bacteria occurs in soil, and by that nitrifying bacteria ammonia is converted into nitride and nitrate. That process is known as nitrification process. This is the second process occurs in a soil by some bacteria, that is known as nitrifying bacteria. And last, some freely bacteria occurs in soil. By that bacteria ammonia, nitrate and nitride is again converted into nitrogen. That is known as denitrification, and this denitrification is also carried out by denitrifying bacteria. This ammonification, nitrification and denitrification, these processes are known as biological process, and nitrogen fixation is known as physical processes. Those nitrogen present in atmosphere, this nitrogen enters into the plant. From that plant, herbaceous animal, from that herbaceous animals to carnivorous animal, from that carnivorous animals into the decomposer, and from that decomposer, by that bacteria again this nitrogen enters into the atmosphere. From abiotic factors into biotic factor, and again from these biotic